One of the most terrifying things any homeowner can face is a house fire. Yet many of us unknowingly overlook hidden fire dangers that exist in our homes. Here are a few hidden hazards to keep in mind. Electrical wiring is one of the most common causes of house fires, so consider having a licensed electrician install an arc fault circuit interrupter for added fire safety. Also, check electrical cords often and throw away any frayed cords. Lint buildup in your dryer can also cause a fire, so clean your dryer cabinet and exhaust vent at least once a year. If loose batteries come in contact with metal objects, they can generate enough heat to cause a fire, so store batteries in their original package or cover terminals with electrical tape. Laptops can get very hot after extended use, so be careful where you leave a laptop that's been on for a long time. Of course, a live fire always presents inherent risks, so always keep your fireplace and chimney clean. Lastly, make sure your smoke detectors and fire extinguishers are in good working order and replace them as they age.